Welcome to our demo. Today we present our smart olive oil extraction system presented by Rinad Ashi, Fatima Al-Sadiq, Fatima Al-Basha, Al-Jawhar Al-Hudayb. And this is our fully system integrated. We created an application to integrate the whole system and test every subsystem. And every subsystem worked perfectly and successfully, and we can in the application also we can test the arm and change the angles to grab the bags from malaxation subsystem to the pressing subsystem. Here you have all the connections. We have the silicone and the pump and the valve and the crushing, all of them connected to the relays. And we have a DC motor connected to the pressing and to make it a press forward and reverse. Also, we did put an immediate shutdown button and another button to start the system. Here we tested the subsystem 1, which is the washing subsystem, using a plastic box and nozzles and a pump.
For drainage and control, after the olives are thoroughly washed, we used a valve to drain the water completely out of the washing subsystem. Once the water is cleared, we operate a sliding gate, allowing gravity to naturally drop the olives into the next stage. For the gate control before crushing, it is important to note that this control gate is to ensure the olives are fully washed and isolated before they fall into the next subsystem, which is the crushing subsystem. For the crushing subsystem phase, we utilized a manual made grinder. To automate the process, we and eventually converted it into an electrical grinder by connecting it into a drill powered by 12 volts. This effectively processes the olives into a constant olive paste.
For this stage, our Arduino-controlled robotic arm executed a precise trajectory to grab and lift the food-safe bag containing the collected paste. By automating this transfer, the system safely moves the material into our final subsystems, pressing and filtration, where the product will be produced. Here we have our microcontroller and a 12-volt, 7.5-watt silicon heating pad ready for action. Moving forward, this is the mechanical setup. This automated press system uses a heavy-duty actuator to apply precise down-forward force. As the press goes to work, the raw material is processed. Soon we see a smooth golden oil beginning to filter out and collected at the bottom. The entire sequence is tracked step by step by an Arduino-controlled LCD. It manages everything from the initial crushing and heating phase to the final press and filtration cycle. Thank you all for listening.